Hi, this is another Canvas video, and this one is about making, designing, creating your homepage for your course. Here's an example of a course that I've never used before. When you first click on a course that you've never used before, it will look like this. Over to the left, you got your navigation, links. Over to the right, it says unpublished or publish. We want it to be unpublished until we've designed it and we have it ready for the kids to see, and then we want to publish it so it will actually show up on their dashboard. So one of the things you can do is you can choose your homepage, and you have choose activity stream, modules, assignments, syllabus, or you can choose a front page. But we don't have that choice right now because we haven't actually made a front page yet. So one thing that we can do is go over here to pages, and we're going to add a page. And now you create your own homepage. So you give it a title, Mr. Smith's Homeroom, and this is called the Rich Content Editor. You can go ahead and hit, just like in Word, you can hit center, Mr. Smith's Canvas course, and then a message to your students, welcome to our online course, and whatever else you want to type there. Other than text, you can also put images and buttons and things like that that link out to other things. So over to the right, it says images. And I like to use websites like Canva, which is a free account, and you can design all kinds of things on there, different shapes, sizes, designs, and then save them to your computer and then upload them. Here's another one called The Button Factory, and you can make buttons of different shapes, sizes, and colors, download them to your computer, and then put them in your Canvas files and use them as links to other things like modules and pages and assignments. But let's go back to over here where it says images, and we can search for images, or we can upload the images that we made and download it to our computer. So choose file, decide where is that file that you want to bring in, and then open it. Alternative text means when they put their cursor over what word shows up. So I want it to say math, upload. Once it's in, you can still edit it. You can shrink it, move it to the left, whatever you need to do. Put it in a table. But right now it's just a picture. It doesn't take us anywhere. You cannot click on it. We haven't linked it to anything yet. And then another thing that you can do is any buttons that you've made. So if I go to images and try to find any buttons that I made, button, and then click open, give it a title, and hit upload. And you can do the same thing with that, move it around wherever you need. Again, we haven't actually linked it to anything yet. It's just an example of putting images and graphics on your page. Once you're done, you think your page looks really good, you go ahead and scroll down and click save. I'm going to go to view all pages. And I haven't actually published this page yet. So I click publish, and then these three little dots, and I'm going to use it as a front page. Now if we go home, now we can choose, I think I clicked that too fast, choose home page. Now we can use page's front page, Mr. Smith's Homeroom, and save. So now when the kids click on your course, they'll see the page that you designed. Even if it's something really simple, it's more inviting than just nothing when they first click on it. We still haven't published our course yet, though, so the kids can't see it yet. One thing that you can do is, again, customize this navigation bar over here under settings, and then click on navigation and hide whatever you don't want your kids to see. So if you teach primary grades, you can grab these things and drag them down here. The things that you don't want them messing with, you really want to simplify it. Make sure you save your changes. And then if you go to student view, we'll see what the kids see. Very minimal navigation bar and whatever front page you set as your home page. All right. One more cool thing, if I go back to edit, a lot of teachers have been learning how to do lately, is they want to put a video of themselves right in their homepage, like a welcome. So you go to this little record upload media, and you're going to basically just start recording. I'm on a MacBook, so your desktop won't let you do this, but we can figure out ways to do it on the iPad or the Mac. Start recording, make yourself a little message. Hi students, welcome to our Canvas course. We're going to be using this as our homepage throughout the year. We're going to have quizzes and assignments and projects and rubrics, things like that put on here. Your grades will be on here, but Skyward is still our official grading system. If you have any questions about Canvas and how we're going to use it, just let me know. All right, now we're going to click Save. And it inserts it as a media. We're going to hit Save again because we changed our... And then there's my video. The kids can click on it and hear a welcome message straight from their teacher. All right, that's pretty much it for just like the basics of designing a page and setting it as your home page. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, astarns@decaturproud.org.